Oh, Namaskara and welcome to Let's Get Talking with the artists and celebrities of Kudla. Mataregla Namaskara. Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the 74th episode of Let's Get Talking with the artists and celebrities of Kudla. I can see people joining in. Last Wednesday we didn't have an episode. I know we missed it, but this Saturday we are again back with the 74th episode of Let's Get Talking. Relitsa, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Joel, welcome. Namaskara, Joel. Cheryl Ferrao, welcome. I said your name third today because you always join first. You were the first one to join. Okay. Karen Allen 02, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Jackson Lewis 15, welcome. Namaskara, Joel, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Nitesh Kukkian, welcome. Edrin Dicosta, welcome to Let's Get Talking. I can see Nitya Shetty 717, welcome. Nitesh, hello, how are you? So everybody, welcome. Clinton Matthias 92, Clinton, namaskara, join in. Thank you so much. Bari approval join happen here full join hour nana season muginu rancha. Okay, Cheryl Farrow 90, yes, you are watching from Sydney, all the way from Australia, Sydney. Welcome to Let's Get Talking, Cheryl. Thank you so much for watching this every time. Wilton D'Souza, Love Cricket, welcome. Glenn Nazareth, welcome. Charles, Mr. Rego, welcome everybody. Welcome to Let's Get Talking. And as you all people know, Clinton Matthias is telling Kase how Yan Maltini, Ear Maltin Gutta, Ear Maltin, oh, Irna, Enadunte, Dasimal Lupur, Okay. Royal D'Souza, welcome. Suraj Acharya, welcome. Everybody joining in, welcome. Viju Wilfred D'Souza, welcome. And today's guest, as you all people know, he is a super sensational dancer, choreographer, and what can I say? He was in Dance Plus 3 Top 12 with their own trio. That is, yes, one trio group. Nostalgia. They were in the Dance Plus Top 2, Dance Plus 3 Top 12 contestant. They were. He is none other than Gavin Rodriguez. Gavin Rodriguez will be joining us soon. DJ Ash Mangalore, welcome. Chocolate Baby, welcome. Okay, DJ Ash Mangalore, hi, hello, namaskar, welcome. And without wasting any time, let's welcome our guest into this episode. That is the 74th episode. Let's Get Talking with Gavin. Let's welcome Gavin into Let's Get Talking. Go on. Official Clive. Namaskara, Clive. Namaskara. Welcome. Welcome, Gavin. Welcome to Let's Get Talking.
Thank you so much, Marvin. Thank you so much. I hope I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible. Properly audible. No problem. So welcome, Gavin. Welcome to Let's Get Talking one more time. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Marvin. Thank you for inviting me. It's been a pleasure to be on your live session, and I've been following your live sessions, and really happy to be here. So thank you for calling me.
Okay, I'm feeling like I have to tell you thank you that you accepted this invite to come into Let's Get Talking. Like, we are very, very pleased, and it's our pleasure to have you, the great celeb, Gavin Rodriguez, into Let's Get Talking. So, lots of your fans, followers, people are joining in. You can say hi, hello, if you want to take
Hi to everyone who's joining in. It's been a while since I've been coming live, and I think Mervin also spoke to me regarding it. But I know I haven't been coming live. I've been caught up with a lot of videos and my new business which has come up. So hi to the guys who haven't seen me in a long time, and hope we have a wonderful session today.
Yeah. Gavin, one small thing. Your voice is little low. It is very low. Yeah.
How about now? Is it slightly
better? Yeah, it's better.
If I talk,
slightly better.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Anup Sagar is joining and he is telling you hi, hello. Anup Sagar is saying
hi, Anup.
Hello.
How are you? It's been a while since we've met.
Yeah, he will reply. If he's there, he'll reply. 100% reply, I guess. Okay, Shweta Mendon is waving at you. Shweta Mendon, welcome to Let's Get Talking.
Hi.
There are lots of people, your fan followers, joining in, Gavin, right now.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, Dubai boy, it seems for you. Dubai boy. Anup Sagar is telling. Okay, so voice is perfect. Clive, Voice is perfect right now. We have got the comment also saying voice is perfect. Okay. Nostalgia. Nostalgia trio of you, Nikki, and oh, forgot this. Forgot. Yeah. Okay. You had this trio, nostalgia, and you went to Dance Plus 3, and you were in top 12. So, how was this amazing journey in Dance Plus?
Uh, I mean, like, whenever anyone asks me this question, I always don't find the right answer to explain because it can't be explained. The entire journey was, in one word, I would say magical because it really turned and changed our experiences and lives. I mean, not in terms of, only the dance career, but in terms of having an entire experience, meeting a lot of new people, understanding the culture behind the cameras, behind the work that goes through behind the television. It's really fantastic and very spectacular, to witness such a thing. So whenever we entered and we got through the top 50, I mean top 60, and we realized that we are going to the next round, we had the chance to enter the set, which is a huge set, as you can see, which is very beautiful on television. But when you see it live, it's so magical. It's like you're entering Disneyland. So,
Yeah.
I mean, I still remember the first step me, Leo, Nikki took inside that set, and we were speechless. We didn't have anything coming out of our mouths. We were just looking, and we were just shocked. So I think that was one of a really magical moments. And yeah, I think the entire journey was really fun. We learned a lot. We went through a lot of stress. We went through a lot of happy and positive moments, negative moments. We got our things in, and I think we really enjoyed the entire journey, and it was really nice.
Okay. That dance plus journey, as you said before, you can't express it. How was it? And we are proud that you people have made into Dance Plus and in top 12. And that whole season, I have watched it. Whole season, like you people, where they have watched it. Your every act going on. Anup has said one more thing. I used to be a background dancer for him, and he was a little MJ.
Anup and me go back to the time when I was in Dubai, and where Anup is a very senior dancer to me, and I
Yeah.
was just starting to learn dance. And we used to learn. I used to train under Mr. Vinod Sikwera, and he's been my mentor, my guru since childhood in Dubai. And whenever I used to get the opportunity, I used to ask Vinod, sir, can I perform with your team? Because I really loved going out and performing. So he decided, because the entire group had a team which everyone were at least 20, 21 and above. But I was the only small
Yeah.
kid who was 15 years old, I mean 14 years old, who wanted to go and join them. So they took me in, and yeah, when I think Anup says MJ, because I used to do a lot of Michael Jackson in Dubai, and
Yeah.
we used to perform for a lot of events in Dubai, and Anup used to be there and mentor me along with Vinod sir. So I think that's how we go back. It's a long
Yeah.
time since I met Anup. Yeah.
Yeah, a long time we have met Anup, and right now he did well in Dubai. Right now, doing well here also as an actor, and you right now a celeb dancer. So everybody who's like into Vinod Sikwara is doing something or the other right now.
Exactly.
Okay, so we were talking about nostalgia. How did
Yeah.
you three people form this group? How did you people form this group?
Uh, Nostalgia is basically Leo and Nikki, we met in college, but I think Nikki and Leo were friends before I entered. They
Okay.
were together in high school, and then I joined PUC once I came back from Dubai, and that's when we had our college dance competitions and cultural events like kept happening every once in a few
Yeah.
days. So that's when all the dancers met and realized, okay, we vibe together, we have a similar style, we would like to perform together. So that's where we met Leo, Nikki, and the best part about us was our styles matched a bit, and we kind of took it forward after college also. So that was one thing for us. We kept sticking together, and we realized that we should take it to another level. So we
Yeah.
actually took part in Dance Plus 2. I don't think many
Hmm.
of you all know about it because we never disclosed that. We went for the auditions. We got selected till the TV round. That was, I think, top 60. But we couldn't make through the next round. We were in Team Shakti again for Dance Plus 2.
Okay.
As soon as Dance Plus 2 got over, it was in our heads that whatever it is next year, we have to make it to the top 12. And we worked really hard. We were practicing 8 to 9 hours a day, every day, and being together, maybe day or night. We just took one sequence of 1 minute, and we just practiced on that one sequence. We didn't take any backup song. We didn't do any other choreography. And
Okay.
I think that was the magic for us because we worked so much on that particular 1 minute sequence. I didn't think
Okay.
we would require another one. So
Okay.
we put all our efforts on that. So I think that's how nostalgia formed, and through college and events after.
Yeah, perfect. That 1 minute sequence got selected in the audition, then top 16, top 12,
There were
and
around 6 to 7 rounds. So we
yeah,
had to clear all those rounds only through that one sequence. I think that sequence
yeah.
took us all the way up. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you have comments coming in. Josita is telling Rodriguez family heart. Josita is telling.
Oh, okay. Same here. Big heart.
Okay. You have lots of comments coming in. Okay. Rodriguez family heart. Then I had dancer
Oh,
background
missing
as
the
well. Okay.
comment. So sorry.
Okay. Okay. There is one more comment. Okay. I said right. Like you been dancing. Anup is doing well. You are doing well. Everybody is doing well. So Pranay is telling the ultimate solution to is that we have to be a dancer to become famous. It seems. He is telling.
Uh, I don't know if I should agree to that because I don't think only dancing is a particular genre you can be great at. I mean, there are so many other genres. May it be singing, may it be acting, may it be fitness, or uh, see, I like making food, so I cook a lot of food. I like going to the gym. So I think a little bit of something, if you have like interest of 5 to 10 things and you really want to do everything, go for it. But if you're really one thing, go for that too. So why I don't think you need to be only a dancer, but I mean if you it's a plus, if you want to get into the field of the acting industry or something in front of the camera, I think a dance or even music is a plus for yourself.
Gavin, you're getting little stuck out here. Uh,
Okay. Should
okay.
I?
Whether I'm visible to you?
You are very clear to me. Should I
Yeah,
change?
but it is little stuck. Whether my internet problem, I don't know because right now we can't make out. Right, I'll be clear to you. You'll be clear to me. So
Yeah.
uh, right now still there is a blurriness. Okay, I think you
Do you
can
want
hear
me
me,
to?
right?
I can hear you clearly, but do you want me to leave and come join back, or change network,
No,
or
let's continue. Let's continue. If there is like
continue?
is
Cool.
still more problem, let's say it. Okay, no problem.
Done.
Okay, you said you have that love for food, everything, and you are a hotelier. You have started
Yeah.
your own entrepreneurship, like your own business,
Yeah.
having the Rosho Hut. So how was this
Yeah.
plan? Like I have to start this thing.
Okay. There's a story for everything. So,
Mm,
as soon as lockdown was, I mean, right before lockdown,
mm,
I was working in Chennai for 2.5 years for married, and
mm,
I decided to go to Dubai for to search for some jobs for a
mm,
better position there. And me and my friend just left everything and we went to Dubai and we were like, let's
mm,
go. And we didn't have anything in hand. We didn't have any job. We just decided we'll go and we'll just search for jobs, and in a month's time we'll come back with the job. So we didn't quit our current jobs. So we went there
mm,
to search for jobs, and we got jobs. It's not that we didn't. We got jobs, but
mm,
the lockdown shut down all the hotels. So the jobs which were got by people were lost in a matter of seconds. And
mm,
just because of the lockdown, we had to prepone our tickets and come back to India. So we preponed our tickets. We came back. I came to Chennai, but my friend, he's from Pondi. So he told me, Gavin, you come to Pondi, you don't stay in Chennai because lockdown is going to make you frustrated. So stay with me. He has a good house there with his family. So
okay,
we went and we stayed there. And then I realized that I can't get out of Pondi for a long time because of the lockdown. So
Yeah.
my stuff, everything in Chennai and Mangalore is stuck, and I'm stuck there with a bag of clothes, and that's the only thing. So my friend again is from my college, Ayush. Uh, I was a part of his major decision, and his decision was to start a cloud kitchen in Pondicherry. And the
Okay.
cloud kitchen was desserts, pizzas, burgers, and now it's like you name the item, it's available. So
Okay.
I was his pizza guy because
Okay.
and it's not like I knew to make amazing pizzas before. It just like we had practical classes in college, and through that, but proper pizza making happened in Pondicherry, where I practiced, and all my experiments worked in his cloud kitchen, and people
Mm.
started liking it. So it became
Mm.
1 month. We were getting a lot of orders. 2 months, people were doubling their orders, and
Mm.
now we did it for 4 to 5 months, 4 months, sorry, and it went really well. So after
Mm.
4 months, it was the time for me to come back. I booked a cab from Pondi to Mangalore. I didn't get
Oh
a
my
train.
God.
So it was a 17-hour journey, a really expensive journey, and
Mm.
came to Mangalore. And the second day I reached Mangalore, I started up the Rosha Hut, because when I was in Pondi itself, I decided that I want to start something, and discussed with
Mm.
my family and said we're going to start something like this. Mom is very great in the kitchen, and she has a cookery show and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
she's very, she joined me, and dad is always supportive. We got this through, and now Rosho Hut is around 5 months old, and we are officially opening in March on
Okay.
Swiggy and Zomato on a space in Kadri Kamla Road. So yeah,
Okay.
fingers crossed.
Okay. So all the very best for your new venture, which you are opening on March. Okay.
Thank
I
you.
wanted to ask you one thing. How much did it cost from Pondi to Mangalore?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
Actually, it's the flights were around 4,000, one way, and
Okay.
trains were around 3,000. I mean, there were no trains; there were only
Yeah.
flights.
Uh,
So this costed me around, I think, 15 to 16K from Pondi to Chennai. That was in a very long route, and 17 hours of my time. Yeah, it was a very expensive
you
journey,
would
but
have
I feel
gone.
it is.
You could have come from Pondi to Mangalore, gone back again, come again, gone back.
I could have gone to Dubai in the same money. So yeah.
Okay. Sunil is asking. I asked you right. How much did it cost? He's asking. He korpanage. He's asking. என்னடா
Yeah.
பண்றான் வந்து seriously என்னடா பண்றான் வந்து when the show this show is running on a very low budget right now where I can keep sponsor you. Okay, Gavin, I have some like rounds, some segments like you used to also do like some segments in your show.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have
yeah.
some Natpur segments. Okay, it's not a very
No, no,
very
it'll be
Natpur
good.
segments.
It'll be good. Don't
Okay.
worry.
Yeah. Okay. First one is my rapid fire round. So we'll go to my rapid fire again. We will come back to this some of this whatever like into a life journey also. Okay. So first question in my rapid fire. Uh, Before starting my rapid fire, I'll tell you I have my three rounds. Okay. Rapid, then my choose, and then have some never have I ever. Okay. Or three rounds. Okay. And in these three rounds, you said right in your one of your show. I have also seen that it's like there is no gift hamper. You can expect the gift hamper or not. In this, you will be getting the gift hamper if you win it. Okay,
Wow.
100%.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
So first question in my rapid fire. Okay.
Yes.
Who do you admire the most in dancing?
In dancing,
Yeah.
yes, I admire Les Twins, who are the French amazing dancers from Paris. I've been
Okay.
admiring them from a long time. Okay, it's a rapid fire. So yeah, Les Twins.
Yeah. No, that's not a problem. That is rapid fire can
I
go
can
rapid. Not an
elaborate.
issue. Rapid, not an issue. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
next question of my rapid fire round. In this, you have options. Right now, I'm giving you option. Okay. Who is a better dancer, Lionel or Nikki?
Lionel or Nikki? I wouldn't comment on that, because all of us are amazing dancers in a very different way. So I would say Gavin.
No, there was no option like Gavin. There is a third
You
option.
said
Okay,
Gavin.
there is only two options. You have to be there into or into.
No, no. There's no comment. I've
We
find both of them unique in their way. So
Chalo, let me not go into nostalgia in between you people. Okay. Okay. Let's side into it. Okay. Next question. Who is your first celebrity crush?
celebrity crush. I first. It's a long time back. I have no. I like Shraddha Kapoor. So yeah,
Okay. Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha Kapoor.
yeah. Shraddha Kapoor.
Okay. Let it not be a first. Right now, a celebrity crush is
Yeah,
Shraddha.
Shraddha Kapoor.
Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Which is the favorite dish you like to prepare? You like to prepare.
I love to prepare butter chicken, smoked butter chicken with some smoked in the sense with amazing flavors of the coal for 30
Okay.
minutes. And when you have, because everyone eats butter chicken, but they've not, the authentic, the smoked butter chicken takes it to another level. Am I tempting you, Mervin?
Yeah, and like when you said that, right? I'm in a very different level right now. And plus today is a weekend. I'm getting into different zone.
Exactly. When if you just get your butter chicken from outside in Mangalore, I don't know, very few places will have smoked butter chicken. So you buy some coal, put it in one katori, put the
Yeah.
katori inside the butter chicken, put some ghee and shut it for 15 minutes and then have it. You'll see the difference.
Okay. But one thing is sure, right? Right now, one thing is sure. If at all I come to Mangalore and if I call you Gavin, I'm there in Mangalore. So we'll head out for lunch. Hope I'll get that smoked butter chicken and
You
be
will,
prepared by.
for sure.
Yes.
For
Yeah.
sure. For
Okay.
that, you'll get pizzas. Yeah.
Yeah. Done. Done. Okay. Next question of my rapid fire round. Which is the last lie you have told someone? Last lie. Last 40 mark like that. And what is that?
I don't remember. I don't lie that much.
Seriously,
I told
hashtag you don't lie?
I don't know. Like, wait, let me think. Give me time.
Yeah, we can take the time. Full aram se. This is your show, not my tension. Nahi lene. Full you can.
Maybe I've told a random dancer that you dance really well. Maybe.
Hashtag who is that random dancer?
Maybe like someone like you dance amazing. Yeah. I don't mean
Next
to be
time.
mean, but yeah.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Which on a scale of 1 to 10, like you have to rate yourself, how good are you at dancing? Yeah.
From 1 to 10, I think I am 6.
The pocket. This is pocket. What
No,
6?
according to me, I am a 6. Maybe not even a 6. Maybe a 4 or 5. Yeah, dancing has reached to another level now, so I need to catch up.
Yeah, Sunil Desai is giving you 10. Sunil Desai is giving
See,
you 10.
thank you, but you asked me the question, so
Yeah.
according to
For
me,
you, okay, for 6. For me, it is 10 enough. Okay, done. For me, it is 10 enough.
there's always a room for improvement. There's this saying, like you can never be satisfied, and you should never be satisfied in life. If the time you are satisfied, you will stop reaching your goals. So you should never be
Correct.
satisfied.
Correct. Done. Okay. Next. Like Sunil says telling, you should have asked the previous question now, like what is the last lie you told, right? Right now that 6 is the last lie for us.
No.
Okay. Done. Next question. I'll like give you two, like you have to rate this person's. Okay. Like who is first and who is second on the skill of their dancing. Okay. So first one is Nikki, second one is Leonel.
That's the same question which you asked. Who's better? Who's a better
No,
dancer?
who's better? You have to rate like who will get this 9.5, who will get 10.
I feel both of them are. If I'm a 6, then both of them are a 8, according to me. So yeah. And
There
now
is
see Nikki. See, I can't be unfair to Nikki because Nikki is not really well currently. Like he's going through some physio, so I can't be unfair to him. So, but when he's in form, he always kills it. So
so
yeah,
both are the
advantage
same.
of Leo now is he's fit. So yeah.
Okay, done. The next question, This you have to answer. Who is the better judge, Dharmesh sir or Puneet sir?
See, I don't know about. See, I'm not going to be very, be
Mm.
partial or anything. It's just that I was in Puneet sir's team first, so we knew Puneet sir a little more than
Okay.
Dharmesa, but we love Dharmesa because Dharmesa is Dharmesa. But when we were in Puneet sir's team, the way he handled the contestants, the things we've heard about him, we never thought, but we really witnessed it in front of our eyes. He sleeps literally 2 to 3 hours a day and works the rest.
Okay.
So I think Puneet sir, because the way he works and the way his life is really amazing.
Yeah. Okay. Shruti madam is best judge of all time. It seems he is going to Shruti madam. That. Okay. Now, right now, I'll give you one word. You have to tell what comes to your mind hearing these words. Okay. Whatever comes to your mind, no problem. You can tell it one, two, three, four, any word you can describe. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The first word is dance plus three.
Magical.
Okay. The Roshu hut.
Pizzas.
Okay. Nostalgia.
The best trio ever. Okay, that's not one word.
Okay. Team Shakti.
Best. Sorry?
Team Shakti.
Super fun. Super.
Okay. Utsav, the dance competition. Utsav.
Dream.
Dream. And talking about this Utsav thing, I'll cut it in between. And talking Utsav thing, you won continuously thrice, I guess, the first place.
Yeah. That was again a very amazing moment in my life. I think one of the best moments in my life was Utsav. Uh, like I remember I did my 4 year course. So my first year in Manipal, I took part in Utsav, and I didn't know what the level was and how everything was. So my seniors told me just go take part and see how it is. And I took part, and I didn't stand a place. Like I didn't get any position there.
Mm.
So I was kind of disheartened, and I thought maybe okay, this is a wake up call. I didn't give up. So I went back and 1 month or 2 months before Utsav. No one does this in Manipur. No one practices so much for Utsav for solo. I mean,
Oh,
they just go and go for it. I did it. I took a 2 month prior notice and fixed my song and made sure it's very entertaining.
mm,
So yeah, the second year and the third year went well, and the best part was getting a hat trick, because the final year in Manipal, I dedicated that was the last performance of me in Manipal, and that was Utsav,
mm,
the solo. So I dedicated all the amazing songs of Manipal for the crowd of Manipal, and
mm.
I didn't perform for winning. I just performed for the crowd. So I think that
Mm.
only changed the entire scenario, and yeah, that's how I think I took the final prize also.
Yeah. Okay. Next, we'll go to that one more thing. Gavlogs.
Oh, Gav Vlogs.
Yeah.
Gav Vlogs, subscribe.
And hit the bell button.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Comment.
And bell button dabane ka bhai. Bell
Yeah.
button dabane. Okay. So, how do you think of having a YouTube channel and doing this vlogs thing?
I always had my YouTube on, but I never had a particular system of uploading videos on a regular basis. Uh, YouTube is a very big decision to make in life. May it be a very small or big dream or whatever you have planned out, in your uh, system, like whatever you require to be posted has to be posted in a very consistent manner to
Yeah.
get your YouTube going. And YouTube is also something where you can easily uh, get negative feedback, easily feel like you're failing, and you just stop. So what I thought is, I just start posting. I and literally don't care of what people are going to tell me, and what I just will take their feedback and improve on myself.
Mm.
If they really don't like it, I'll go and see why they don't like it. If they really simply say that they don't like it, and I don't find a valid reason, I go ahead.
Yeah.
So for me, YouTube is having vlogs in, and vlogging is very tough. I realize, because you need to have good knowledge of holding the camera, having the right gimbal, having the right lighting. You should know how to edit your vlogs. You should know how to, have content for your vlogs. So it's a lot of work. So I just started it and to see how it will go, and so that I can work on myself. There's a long way. It's just a beginning. It's just a start. So I'm going to work on it this year, and I'll be having dance videos coming in also. I have another video coming up tomorrow. So I think that's a very different video. So something unique and different. I haven't done it before. It's been a while since I've been editing it. So yeah. So yeah, Gavlogs is something new, and I hope it grows really well and helps me in the future.
Yeah. The first video, like you were uploading your dance videos before. When you started vlogging, the first video was very super. The naming of the vlog.
Exactly. Yeah. So I didn't know what to name it, so I thought let's just shoot a vlog on it and ask my friends about it. So yeah, I mean it's going well, and I'll make sure I don't stop and continue.
Yeah, Sunil is telling you all the best, and I know
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Gavin will go more and more in vlogging. He'll go it. Okay, so let's go to back to my rapid fire. I said right. My rapid fire is very rapid.
Rapid, yeah.
Yeah, it's very rapid. So next is like I will give you a person's name. You have to describe them in 2, 3, 4, 5. How many words you want? You can describe them in one word or any number of words. Okay. So the first person is okay. Nicky Pinto.
Always smiling and a very bubbly guy.
Okay. Lionel Sequeira.
He's very funny, and he's a silent killer and very hardworking.
Okay. Suzanne Muscat.
Susan is again very hardworking, an amazing dancer, and yeah, the best at what she does.
Okay. Advika,
celebrity and amazing dancer, hardworking, and I don't know Advika really well personally. I've just met her once for the video.
Yeah.
But the time we've met, I think, yeah, she's amazing. I think I'm stuck right now on my screen also. So I think, should I leave and join again?
it is stuck, right? It is rotating.
Okay, should I leave? But can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I don't know why it is stuck, why it is rotating.
One sec, can I join again?
Oh yeah, we can do that, no problem.
Cool.
Yeah. Video is off. Okay, is the video off till now? I don't know whether it is off or not right now. Video off, Atanda. Voice clear, video off. Video is off of whose? Mine or Gavin? Sunil Lesa, Pranit, tell me, Pranit. Guest is energetic and viewers, Dallu Ler, Yernala Chow, Naspura Ati Dojo. Poor Rockle full busy Ler, Gamjal release at Gamjal Pura release at. Okay. Gavin, okay, let's go. With the one of his video is off. I think Sama Pudale, Tarapa Samapun. Sunil Lesa, GR for the Gavin and the correct word.
Hi.
Okay, welcome back. These issues happen in this Insta. These are normal things happening.
I've been there. I've done it. Yeah.
That goes on. So no tension. Okay, we'll go for next. Okay, who is your not who? What compliment do people give you the most? Like the most compliment you get?
I don't get much compliment. Yeah, you dance well, and you. How do you manage so much? How do you do so many things together? That's one thing I also appreciate that about me. Like there's dancing, then there's food, and there's vlogs, and there's so many other things like maybe conducting events, like battle events and stuff like that. So yeah, people, I take it as a compliment, but they're like, how do you do so many things in such a short span of time?
Yeah, even I am also curious, like how you do it. How you do it. Doing is okay, fine. But you are pro in everything. In dancing, you are pro. In this cooking, you are pro. In food section, you are pro. You are like becoming pro in everything. And You're like incha malpir mare jana. Okay, so next, let's go to my I have a situation. I'll give you a situation, and you have to tell
Okay.
in that situation what song comes to your mind. Okay,
Okay.
so this is basically a song round, I can say. So first question: if you get to chance, first situation, if you get a chance to choreograph Hrithik Roshan,
Hrithik
like you are a
Roshan.
choreographer for Hrithik Roshan's movie.
Hmm. I think. I mean, all his the thing is, all his choreographies are already amazing. So you wouldn't
Hmm.
want to. But if I would want to re-choreograph any, I think it would be Bang Bang, the song which I think you played that today. So yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, that. Next situation is what song comes to your mind here in this situation? Like what this situation is, if you win a reality show, think like you won Dance Plus. Next season you
Okay.
won it. So what song comes to your mind when you win that title?
What song? Uh, I think the Dance Plus song only. With the golden plus
Yeah.
coming down our way. So
We
yeah.
hear it like when the Golden Plus comes down, that time we hear it. Okay. How many times that you have heard it? Those retakes, in those retakes and everything.
Oh God, we've heard it's like I mean no, we don't never have retakes for
That coming.
that. Yeah, when the decisions are revealed, we don't have any retakes. It's a one shot thing.
Uh,
The song is always played when the episode is, I mean, that cut is taken and the cut is coming in. So yeah, that time we hear it a lot, and yeah, it's fun, whenever it plays,
uh,
and when you're listening it to it live. So
uh,
yeah, it's fun. It's amazing.
okay.
Everything is crazy when you're there. You don't know what is happening.
Yeah, you have to just witness what's happening and enjoy it. That's it. Okay. We'll go to my next round. That is a choose round. I'll give you two options. You have to choose one. Okay. So first in the choose round, my first question. This one is okay. In your dance covers, Mirchi Lage To or Ore Pia, which is your favorite?
The song you're talking about?
Yeah, you did your cover versions, right? For that Mirchi Lage To and Ore Pia, you
Yeah,
did it.
yeah.
So which is your favorite?
I like Orepia. I like the song, and not only because I was doing a solo on that. It's a very different feel and vibe. Michi Lagito is more of Bollywood and commercial. So yeah,
Yeah.
something more near to my style was Orepia. So yeah,
Okay. 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 Stage performance or as a choreographer?
I would always pick stage performance. I
Mm.
mean, I would love to be on stage and perform for my choreographies or anyone's choreographies. But yeah, that feeling in dancing in front of people, clapping and hooting for you is another feeling itself. So yeah,
Okay, done. Okay. Love marriage or arranged marriage?
I would choose love marriage, but in my situation, I think it's going to be arranged. So I don't know.
Question mark, why?
There's no time. I'm so busy
Mm.
with work and yeah. So mom, I don't know. I think mom's up to something. So maybe arrange.
You are telling you are going to a typical arranged marriage. You are going to a.
I don't know. I literally don't know if I'm getting married or not. First, that I need to decide. But now it's only work and career. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
We like right now you said right, the mom is up to something, and we have my research team has got something that your mom is looking for a girl like for you. She is looking everything here and there. Is it
She
so?
may see. I have no clue if she's looking or she's not, or she's just pretending that she's looking. So
Mm.
yeah. So I'm just going with the flow. Whatever happens, happens. So yeah, go for
Okay.
it.
Okay. So right now you like arranged. Oh, sorry, you like love. Arrange
Yeah.
is gonna happen or
I
not?
think
Let's see.
everyone should like love marriage only. Why does anyone want to get an arranged marriage when you have the I mean opportunity to decide who you want to be. You're going to be with someone. You need to decide. No, why should someone else decide for you? So yeah,
You got 20 points for that. 20 points for that.
Thank you.
20 minutes. Okay. Okay. So right now you said love marriage. Okay. In a girl or in your life partner, should she be beautiful or smart? Beautiful or smart?
I think both, but see, I'm not a very smart guy. So I
Hmm.
think she should be smart enough to overbalance my non-smartness. So yeah, maybe I would now, just because you're asking me to pick, I would pick smart. But yeah,
Yeah.
I'll make sure it's, I mean, beautiful is
She
there
good.
also.
Yeah.
Everyone's beautiful, no worries.
Yeah, correct. Okay, there is one more question from Pranit. Philip, cheap or fiction? Fiction.
Philip Shabib or fiction, I would go for fiction because fiction is the guy we met at Dance Plus who was the first international choreographer. I couldn't meet Philip Shabib because he came in the next season.
Hmm.
But Philip Shabib obviously is next level. But
Hmm.
I love fiction because we met him and as a person he's a darling. And he's the currently also fiction is doing so well and yeah, so fiction.
Okay, fiction. Okay. This one. You said right, love or arrange, and you should go for love. There is one more concept from my this Pranit. Pranit, okay, he is my friend. He is giving explanation. His explanation is like arrange and fall in love if he or she is the right person is also fine according to me. He is saying arrange and then fall in love. That is also fine, it seems. He has got married. His was love marriage, I guess. Yeah, his was love marriage, and he is telling arrange and fall in love. Oh my god.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that also works. I mean, if you really can't fall in love marriage and then you can get it arranged and then obviously you
Fall in
take
love.
your time, know the
Yeah,
person. Yeah, totally
that
works.
also done. That also done. Okay. Okay. Chicken or pork?
I'll go for pork.
Okay. Pork.
Yeah, but
That's
I eat more chicken actually, but I'll go for pork.
okay. Done. Okay. Shorts or jeans?
Shorts.
Shorts. Okay. Okay. Susan or Janet?
What a comparison. I know Susan more better and from a long time, so I would pick Susan. I know Janet from college,
Hmm.
but I know Susan more.
Hmm.
So Susan, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Done. What about samosa?
Samosa.
Samosa. I'll not ask anything about pizzas. Okay, I know you're gonna pick pizzas. Nothing about pizza out here. Okay,
No, that's
so
wrong. I don't eat pizzas. A lot of people think I don't like pizzas. I love making them, not as much as the way I like eating them because yeah, I'm a burger person. So yeah, something people
okay.
don't know about.
So there was a this like burger or pizza. There was an option that I removed it. My
If
system
I
has
love
it.
pizzas, then I wouldn't be able to sell them. It would be finished at home only.
Correct. Yeah, that's one thing. Whoever does a business, right? Like if it is like he's doing a pizza business, he's doing something or other business, he'll be not interested in that. He's only interested in developing a business for that. That's it. Okay. Okay. Next. Let's move to my next round. That is never have I ever. That I call in Kannada it as Untu Illa. Untu Illa round. That is the name for that. Okay. The first question in a never have I ever round. Have you ever copied in your exams?
Yes, I mean yeah.
And that yes was like very yes.
I mean like the question should have, what are the ways you've been copied in the exam?
Yeah. Next question is like that.
No,
Question mark,
no, no,
question mark,
no,
question
no,
mark.
no, 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 no. My lecturers are not going to let me back come to Manipal then. So yeah,
No, one. You can at least tell one. What are the ways you used to copy?
normal. I mean this. I mean this. I think this is the basic, the
Okay.
MCQ question. Yeah, I
Hmm.
think that is what I can tell now. If I tell the other one,
Oh,
what's the fun? Create your own.
okay. Done. Okay. Have you ever like you did not have taken shower for 2 or 3 days? Didn't take shower.
Not three, maybe
Two.
almost 2 days. Like one more than a day. Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Done.
when I've been traveling or outside. So yeah.
Okay. Done. Done. Okay.
I'm a clean person. Huh? I'm a clean person.
Yeah, you are a clean person. There is no like. There is one question like, yeah, one or twice it may happen. That's it. Okay,
Happens, yeah, happens.
happens. Okay, have you like used a dating app?
I have explored. I've checked. I mean, like, yeah, I have.
What you have? Okay.
All.
Have you like faked to be sick when to stay home? Like you did not want to go anywhere. You like you had to go somewhere or
No,
college or
no.
somewhere. You fake sick.
I've never faked to be sick. The problem, I've got sick and they don't believe me. So, like, especially at work, I was really sick
Hmm.
and they didn't let me go. And then it reached to that point. My temperature was so high. It was around 105,
Hmm.
and I was shivering. And still they didn't let me go. And I just left. And I just took my scooter and took myself to the hospital. And I asked them, where's the emergency? They're like, what happened? Where's the patient? I'm like, right in front of you.
Hmm.
So I'm the patient. And then they started running. It was
Yeah.
damn funny. Yeah. But I've never faked a sickness. Yeah.
They asked, right? Patient ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Patient ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Patient ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Sunil is like, I
Okay.
copied in Manipal, confirmed. I've copied, I mean, everyone's copied. I think Aloysius is the base where it started from. So you can confirm that also.
Yeah. Elotion ki jai. Elotion ki. Okay. So next question is, have you ever broken something very expensive?
Very expensive. I'm not broken, but maybe a phone. I've dropped a phone or dropped a watch.
Hmm.
Yeah, but yeah, not broken it. It's worked after that.
Okay.
I mean, like, I've broken it, but it's still in
Then
working.
got repaired. Okay. It's a phone or a watch? Both.
Both.
And that watch was of which?
I don't remember. Some fancy watch with some nice gold-plated
Hmm.
ring and stuff. Long time back.
Okay. Fine. Right. Have you ever like missed a high five? Missed a high five?
Yeah, always.
Always.
Many times.
The way you answer it, I'll find it like very cool. Yeah, I've done it.
So, people try to give a fist bump nowadays. So they give a fist bump, I just hold it fist bump, and they're like, "What?" It's so weird. It's like the most awkward thing you can do to someone. So, yeah.
Okay, done. Last question in my never have I ever. Have you ever danced in a lift?
Yes, I have.
You have.
There's no place where I've not danced. I think. I mean, like, on my own. If I
Hmm.
even in the mall, like,
Hmm.
I do something. I mean, I do a moonwalk because I like the flooring, or in church, you know, in church during catechism class. So
Yeah.
there's somewhere or the other in school, college, to forget. It's always. But yeah, there are a lot of places where I have always danced.
Yeah, in church
Something,
also
done
during
something.
mass, you used to dance. That's
No, like, when the hymns are there, like,
yeah.
the fun hymns in church, you feel, you feel energetic. So yeah.
Okay, done. Okay, so we successfully completed my this rapid fire round, choose round, and never have I ever round. Okay, there is one more like you have okay no comments coming in. Okay, this Sunil Desai is telling I asked right, do you miss the high five? Yeah, he misses it after two pegs. Yeah, not after two pegs he misses. After one peg only he gets it missing. That first peg done. Okay, so you've successfully completed this rapid fire round, choose round, and never have I. And congratulations, you are the winner of Let's Get Talking gift
Thank you
hamper.
so much.
So, Gavin, congratulations on winning the gift hamper of LGT. Congratulations. Yes.
Wow, thank you so much.
Yeah. There may be people saying that you will not receive this gift hamper. Don't trust them. Don't believe them. Trust me.
Okay,
Okay.
I will
Trust me.
totally
Yeah.
trust you. I totally.
They will say, I have not got his gift hamper will not come. Please don't trust.
I won't. I'll trust you only, Mervin. Don't worry.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Okay, so we almost reached the end of this live session. Okay, before ending this live session, before going to the end of this live session. You used to do this Insta late night live sessions. Insta late night live session. So how was this? You almost did 25 plus episodes during lockdown. So how was this? I mean, of doing this Insta live session? How did you got an idea of doing this?
So again, I think Insta Live was because of lockdown, and we were at home and just wanted to get back and reconnect with all my buddies and all the people I didn't reconnect with in a long time, and all the people who really had have been in a very nice current situation and going through great heights in their life. So just want to reconnect to them and get their views on how they're going through, what's going through lockdown, and how what are the challenges and how they're coping up with the situation. So yeah, I think that was a very fun series, and hopefully I come back with more live sessions. Currently really caught up. So yeah, people who want live sessions, really sorry for that, but I think Mervin invited me today, and finally I get to witness Insta Live in a really long time.
Yeah. And your late night live session, you've got some amazing people on your live session. I used to watch it. You used to do it. Okay. There was amazing people coming in, and those celebrities, some of the celebrities from Bombay, everywhere else
Yeah,
used to get there.
we had one from Bangladesh and one from Thailand. Then we had many from Mumbai and many from Mangalore also. So yeah.
Your connection is amazing. Connection is amazing that you used to get them.
Dance, that's
Yeah.
only because of dance.
Yeah. Okay. So we are like almost in the end of this live session. So if you want to tell anything, like if you want to tell anything to the viewers or anything, you can tell it. Right now it's your section. Mera bak band ho gaya.
So firstly, I want to thank you, Mervin, for inviting me for the live session, and all the guys who follow Mervin and who follow this live session. Keep supporting him because he's doing a really fun and very motivational thing to people. People learn a lot from such live sessions from different people, and the whole objective is to get everyone's views about their lives and take those positive points and improve on themselves. So today my point was I also didn't know a lot of things about myself. So thank you, Mervin, for bringing that out so that I can, I realized about these answers to those questions and I can work on better answers next time. So yeah, and I'll, use it for my live sessions also. So yeah, I would like to thank all the people who joined the live session. Thank you for your support. If you don't follow me, please follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on YouTube, please subscribe to Gavlogs. It's Gavlogs. If you don't like the videos on Gavlogs, you can give a thumbs down. I don't care. You can give a thumbs up if you like it. So I really want to know if it's a thumbs down. The whole objective is to see people who, more than the thumbs up, I check for this.
Go for that.
Even my
Yeah.
mom's, I check for that. I'm like, okay, 2 today. Wow, 3 today. So it's fun, I take it in a very positive way. So, I mean, that's fun, And yeah, please click on the bell icon for notifications, comment and share. Please follow the Rosho Hut on Insta at the Rosho Hut. We are opening shortly in Mangalore in March. We'll be opening on Swiggy and Zomato. And people who want to join my Zumba classes, I'm starting Zumba classes in Atom Fitness. So I'm going to take full promotion here from Mervin's live.
Full.
So,
It's your life.
people who want to join Atom over in Mangalore, I'm taking Zumba classes in Atom from Monday 5 to 6. You can contact Atom and see how it goes. So again, I want to thank Mervin. Whenever you come down, we can meet up. You will have a free voucher of pizzas from my end, and even if I don't get your voucher, you'll get a pizza from me.
Yeah.
Your gift voucher.
Sika.
Gift hand
Voucher,
voucher.
some of that. This is my research guy team. They destroy me, destroy my name, destroy my everything. These research guy people. Some of the gift hampers are not because of these people. It's not me.
Yeah.
This is because of these people.
Exactly.
So, and one thing is, I'm very happy. I'll be getting a pizza voucher. They will not get it. It's only for me. And one butter chicken also I'll be getting. That smoked butter chicken. Smoked butter chicken.
You have to get the
Yeah.
coal and come, okay? But
Yeah, 100%. I'll get that at least. I'll get that at least, and I'll come. We'll put it in the Insta story and like we'll make people jealous.
totally,
Like, yeah.
we'll do that.
Okay. Okay. So almost it's this end of this live session. And one more thing. One last question. You started dancing at the early age from Dubai. You in Dubai started that. Even Vinod Sikwara's team. After that, you came down here. You started your Nostalgia group. You've won many competitions, like more than 100 competitions. You have gone through already. Already Boogie Woogie also. They've been plus like in Dance Plus 3, you were in top 12. Top 12. During all these things, have you like ever imagined you'll come to Let's Get Talking?
I never thought it was going to be the same, and I never thought Mervin would invite me, and I feel really glad and really pleased that he did think of me, and I thank you, Mervin. I mean, this was the final dream of my life, but I told you, no, never be satisfied. So I would want Mervin to call me again and again and again and again and again, and I still won't be satisfied.
Yeah, we'll do this. We'll do this again and again. In that Kapil Sharma show, right? Akshay Kumar has come more than 25 times, I guess. We'll have this.
Yeah.
Gavin coming on Let's Get Talking more than 20 times. We'll do
Yeah.
this.
Anytime. Feel free.
Yeah. Okay. So, like, you have comments coming in. Butter chicken, it's me. I got butter chicken here. Gavin, you are a very cool and a chilled out person. Sunil Desai is telling.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Pranay is also selling one more thing. Gavin, you have been very smooth, calm, and a cool guy. All the best for your future. All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all.
Okay. Uh, so there is one more thing. Okay, this Pranay is telling, get married and make. He's telling me to get married to my research team, make them better affections. Right now, these things are legal. Like two boys can marry, but I don't. Sorry, sorry. Okay, let's get talking with Christina George part 2 yavaga. Christina, we'll have this part 2 with you also. Part 2 with you also. She had already done, we had already finished one episode with her. One more episode with you. You tell me, Christina, when we'll do it. No worries. And Gavin, that 25 episodes we'll do, right? 25.
Totally. Yes.
One on the launching of Roshu Hut. One, we'll do this.
Yes.
Like that, we'll keep on.
You can call me through Rosha Hut also. We can do a Rosha Hut session. Maybe when my outlet opens up, you can do that.
Yeah, we'll do it. 100%. Done. Bharat, okay? He's done.
Yes,
He has
yes.
written it, everything. Done. I am just a face here, Gavin. Everything, these people do it. And whatever wrong goes, right, hit them. Don't, like, Maka kain sanga na. I'm a nice guy. I'm only the face.
Exactly.
Okay, so thank you so much, Gavin, for coming into this. Let's Get Talking. It was wonderful having you. Yeah, we'll
Thank
be
you so
meeting
much.
soon. Yeah, we'll
Yes,
be meeting
yes,
soon
yes,
in
yes.
some more episodes. Yeah, so thank you so much and all the best for your future. Keep rocking as you are rocking right now and keep doing multiple things as you're doing, and you are pro already and everything. Keep doing it. All the best. All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mervin. Thank you for having me.
Okay, thank you. Okay, done. Christian, I almost read it as LGBT Christina. LGT Marao, LGBT. Okay, that was Gavin in Let's Get Talking. So it was wonderful having him, and he was a very cool and nice. He's a very, very cool person. So thank you so much, everybody, viewers, for joining into this Let's Get Talking for today's episode of 74th episode of Let's Get Talking. Thank you so much, Christina. You're not good in episode Malpuka. I'm ready. You're full jigga free. Okay, gift hamper, you'll surely get it through Marvin Sharma. Marvin Sharma Lepuka. Here, one thing, earphones. Gift hamper. So, Sunil Desa, thank you so much. Bangalore, let's get Belmont talking. And LGBT, let's get Belmont talking. Sunil Desa, you're not Monday, Bankaramara. Ancha pura kujalpoti nirna ancha so Desa yapa uru barpamandle jana yan Bangalore plan Bangalore baka ite irena maltundar rappa au bakal gammat. So everybody have a nice weekend. Enjoy this weekend. So this is me, DJ Mervin, signing off. I'll be back with another guest, another celebrity next Wednesday at 5 p.m. Till then, everybody, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ ನಿಕ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಿಡೋ ಮಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಕ್ಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ ಅಂತ ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಜೆ ವೆನ್ ಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಟಾಟಾ, ಬೈ ಬೈ, ಸಿ ಯಾ.